Have you all done the worksheet? Very good. Yes.
Yes, ma'am, I have done.
Very good, all of you. Let me see. Let's wait for 1 minute. Then we will start the class. Okay. Let me mute you all. Wait. Okay. So have you sent it to your class teacher? I told you to send it to class teacher. Have you sent it? Nod your head. Say yes or no. Akshat, Vinayak, please turn on your video. Bhumika, please mute yourself. Okay, so I gave you worksheet, right? Let me see. Also, I gave you question number 1 and 2. It's on page number 5, fun at home. Have you done this question in your book? Also, we have done, I gave you position words on page number, let me see the page number. It's on, let me see. It's on page number 8 and 9. So, have you done it? All of you, have you done this question? Page number 8 and 9. Okay, so I am just asking to each of you. Okay, one by one, everybody will tell me. Okay, so come to the page number 8, everyone. Okay, so Akshat, please unmute yourself and please please read the first one and along with the answer. Okay, just read the first one.
I have do the worksheet and the 8 and 9 also.
Okay. So start from 8 and 9. Okay, so start from 1. The ball is.
The ball is like dash the boy.
Children, so we have question number 1 on page number 8, fun at home, which I gave you for homework. So we have question, the ball is dash the boy. So you can look at the picture. So where is it? Under or near? What, Akshat? Yes, so write down near. Very good, Akshat. Very good, Akshat. So write down near. Those who have not done, just write down near. Do it fast. Because it's near him, right? The boy is standing near the ball. So write down near. On page number, I am repeating the page number once again. Page number 8, fun at home. Okay? Page number 8, fun at home. Those who have not done, those who have done wrong, just correct it. Otherwise, just read down. Okay. Yes, Arav. Unmute yourself. Please read the second one along with the answer.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta.
मैंने worksheet पे Ma'am.
Yes, Akshat. Wait, Akshat.
The doll is.
Wait, Akshat. I'll come to you also. Okay. Yes, Arav. Please tell me what happened. Please read the question number 2. Yes, Arav. Read
The doll is under. The doll is dash the chair.
Everyone, the doll is under the chair. You can look at the picture. You can see where is the doll. What is the position of the doll? Under the chair, right? Very good, Arav. Very good, Arav. Well done. Okay, now, Javik. Javik, please read third one along with the answer. ठीक है? Arav, please mute yourself. Yes. No, it's the bird. The bird.
The bird is flying. The bird.
Dash the trees.
Over.
Very good. So children, the bird is flying. You can look at the picture. The bird is flying over the trees. Understood? Very good, Javik. Now you can mute yourself. Okay. Now let's come to the Divyanshi. Divyanshi, unmute yourself. Where is Divyanshi? Let me see. Yes. Divyanshi, unmute yourself. And please read the fourth one on page number 9. Everyone on page number 9.
Is standing dash the bus stop.
Okay, look at the lady. Look at the lady. The lady is standing the bus stop. So what you will write?
Ma'am, at.
Very good. Why at? Could you please tell me why at? Why we use at? Divyanshi, why we use at?
Because
Hmm.
he's stand.
Why we use at?
He's stand.
Why we use at? My question is why we use at?
Because he's standing on a bus stop.
Okay, I know she's standing at the bus stop, but why you? I mean, why you used at? At is used for what? Everyone, anybody knows? Just raise your hand. Just go to the participant list and raise your hand. Why we use at? Tell me.
किसी चीज के नीचे खड़ा होना.
No, when we are standing something down, so you can see under, right? But niche we can't say at. Okay, so anybody tell me? Yes, let me see who has raised your hand. Okay, Chavi, unmute yourself and let me know why we used at here. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, we use at because the lady is standing on a bus stop.
No, at.
Can I
At.
say in Hindi?
No. So why we used at here? Could you please tell me?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
in the bus stop, there is a lady is standing on the bus stop.
Not on the bus stop, it's at a bus stop, right?
Yes,
We have two
ma'am.
options, at and near. So we can write at, right? Yes.
Ma'am, I speak in Hindi.
Okay, tell me fast.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
the lady है वो बस स्टॉप के बस स्टॉप पे
पर खड़ी है.
खड़ी है.
Okay.
बस स्टॉप पे खड़ी है, इसीलिए हमने एट यूज किया.
Okay, fine. Okay, now let me tell you why we use at, everyone. When at is used for general location, okay? At is used for location, like you are going somewhere for some time, right? You are going somewhere for some time. That is why we used at. At is used for general location. Like for example, I am at the shop. I am at the mall. Okay, I am going to mall for short time, right? Not for every time. Not for staying there. Okay, are you getting my point? We go. Why we go mall why we go mall for shopping, right? For some time we go that. We go there. So, for example, I am at the mall. So, if Vinayak will ask me, ma'am, where are you? So, what I will reply, I am at the mall. I am standing at the mall. Understood my point? Because I am going for some time. It is used for general location. Okay? Wide location. Understood my point? Yes?
Ma'am,
Also, we can say at for a specific address. Okay? Like you are going to your friend's place. So, I'll say, Chabi, where are you? So, how you will say? You will reply, ma'am, I am at my friend's place, right? I am at my friend's place because you are going for some time. Understood my point?
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, repeat question.
Okay, wait. Let me explain this first. Understood everyone why we use at? At is used for general location when you are going for some time, for a specific address. Okay, understood my point, everyone? Okay, understood? Yes, Chavi. Now you. So we have fourth question. The lady is standing at the bus stop. Why at the bus stop? Because she is going for some time. Why she is going there? To take a bus, right? Understood my point? She is waiting for the bus. Maybe she is waiting for the car. So she is going there for some time. That is why she is standing at the bus stop, right? So write down at. Okay. So let's read fifth one. Yes, Chavi, please read.
Tina is hiding dash the door.
Okay.
After behind.
Okay, so Tina is hiding dash the door. Look at the picture, everyone. Where is she? What is the position of the Tina? Yes, Chavi, please tell me. What is the position of the Tina?
Ma'am, behind.
Very good.
Behind the door.
So, where is she? She is behind the door. Understood, everyone? You can look at the picture. Where is she standing? Behind the door. Understood? Yes. Next, let me see. Kivant. Kivant, unmute yourself and please let me know. Question number 6. On page number 9. Last one. The pot is... Please read.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read. 6th one.
Would
Read down. Sit properly. What are you doing? Sit properly. Why are you lying on the bed? Sit down. Yes, now read. 6th one. Do you have book or not? So read it. Better read it. Open the page number 9.
ma'am.
Yes. Don't waste the time. Garv, could you please read the last one?
Ma'am.
Yes. Garv, unmute yourself. Please read the last one along with the answer. Garv, are you there? I don't know what is happening with him. Vinayak, please read the last one.
The pot is dash the window.
Okay, look at the picture. The pot is dash the window. So what is the answer? What is the position of the pot? What is the position of the pot?
Below.
Very good. So the position of the pot is below the window. You can look at the picture. 6th one. Where is the pot? Where is the position of the pot? Below. Okay, understood now? Sit properly, Javik, and let me see. Okay, fine. So done. It's done. Okay. Let me see. Now let's start another chapter. Okay. Just give me a moment. Okay. Let me see. Okay. So let's start. Let me see. Flying so high. So please open your book. Flying so high. We are going to start a poem. Flying so high. Okay.
Page number.
Wait, let me tell you the page number also. It's on 35. Page number 35, all of you. Open the page number 35. Wait, let me mute you all first. Yes. Open the page number 35, all of you. And show me your book, all of you. Show me your book. Yes, all of you show me your book. Chavi, Bhumika, Namasvi, show me your book, please. Yes, now, let me tell you who will read. Wait, give me a moment, okay? Yes. Javik, Jay, Yadav, Rishabh. Rishabh, unmute yourself. Agriya, then you will read, okay? Rishabh, first you will read, then Agriya. Yes, Rishabh. Wait. Unmute yourself and start reading from Flying So High. It's a poem, okay, on page number 35, all of you. Understood my point? Just open the page number. Wait, Rishabh, wait. Okay, children, we are going to read this poem. Poem name, Flying So High. Understood? So, Rishabh is going to read and read 2 lines, okay, Rishabh? Yes, start.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, of course.
Last night I was flying in sky. I flapped my hands and went up high.
Very good, Rishabh. Okay, so listen to me carefully, everyone. Ara, sit down properly. Flying So High. Open the page number 35 fast. Okay, Rishabh, you can mute yourself now. Okay, so let's read a poem about a little girl's imagination. Okay. Yes. So let's imagine this poem first. So last night, what happened last night? I was flying. It is a poem about a little girl. Okay, you can see in the picture. So it's a poem about a little girl. So she was saying, last night I was flying in the sky. Just imagine. She's saying, last night I was flying in the sky. Okay. I flapped my hand and went up high. What is the meaning of flapped? Move up and down. Move up and down. Like birds flap their wings, right? Like birds flap their wings. So, as it is, she is saying that I flapped my hands and fly high. Why birds flap their wings? Anybody knows why birds flap their wings? Yes, Vinayak, unmute yourself. Tell me.
Ma'am, fly करने के लिए.
Yes, so that they can fly high, right? Understood? Very good. Okay, so you can mute yourself now. Let me see. Shubh, please read. Yes, Shubh. Yes, Shubh, please read. Unmute yourself, then read, okay? Read only 2 lines.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Please read 2 lines only. Why did you join late?
Enjoying. Ma'am,
Because what?
network issue.
Okay, fine.
Network issue.
Okay, so read down.
I imagine.
No, it's I jumped.
I jumped on cloud and saw a
It's saw a SAW. Saw. Bright.
BRIG bright star. I think I went
I think
a little too
far. Okay,
far.
it's far. Shubh, very good. Okay, so Shubh, please read. Try to read at home also, so that you can read better. Okay, understood my point? Okay, Shubh. Okay, now you can mute yourself. Okay, so children, what she's saying, I jumped on clouds. Where she jumped? She jumped on the clouds and saw. What is the meaning of saw? Anybody knows? Okay, saw is the past form of see. Yes, Chavi, you are saying something. Tell me what is saw. Yes, Chavi, unmute yourself. Now you can tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
so is the past form of sea.
Yes, saw is the past form of see. So what she has seen, she saw a bright star. What is the meaning of bright? Shining.
Bright, ma'am. Ma'am, shiny.
Very good. Okay. So she jumped on the cloud and she saw a bright star. She's saying, I think I have come. She went a little too far. What is far? Yes. Bhumika. Unmute yourself, Bhumika. What is far? What is the meaning of far?
Ma'am, far mean dur.
Okay. And what is the opposite of far? What is the opposite of far? Could you please tell me?
Far means far.
What? Your voice is breaking. What is the opposite of far? We have done it already, right? We have done the opposite. Yes.
Ma'am, far car.
No, it's not a rhyming word, okay? I'm asking opposite word. Yes, Vinayak. Unmute yourself and let me know.
Ma'am, near.
Very good. So what is the opposite of far, children? Near. Okay? Great. Okay, so Vinayak, please read another 2 lines.
I landed on a mountain top and saw a river flowing non-stop.
Okay, very good. Okay, let me unmute you all. Okay, so what she is saying, where she has landed, where she has come. She has come on a mountain top. Top of the mountain. She has come on the top of the mountain. And what she saw? A river which is flowing continuously. What is the meaning of flowing? Which is moving continuously. Have you seen the river? Anyone? Have you seen the river?
And me.
So, how's the river? River flows continuously, right? It flows continuously. So, she saw a river which is moving continuously. Understood? Okay. Let me see another one. Avni, could you please read? Avni, unmute yourself. Yes, unmute yourself. And please read another 2 lines. Avni, unmute yourself, beta. What are you doing? Fast, unmute yourself and read another 2 lines on page number 35. Flying so high. Yes, read.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Vinayak, my voice is not coming. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So why she is saying, Avni,
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
am I audible, all of you? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, maybe there is some problem. Okay. Agriya. Please read another 2 lines from I explode.
I explored the deepest ocean floor. Then I landed on the shore.
Okay, very good, Agriya. Very good, you have read so well. You can mute yourself now. Okay. So, she is saying, I explored. What is explored? Anybody knows? We explore many places, right? We all explore many places with our parents. Yes. Let me ask to Bhumika. Yes, Bhumika, wait. I am unmuting you. Don't raise your hand. Yes. What is explored?
Ma'am, explain.
Huh? I'm sorry, Bhumika, your voice is breaking. Chavi, unmute yourself. What is explode?
Explode.
Wait. Let me mute all. Wait, Chavi, unmute yourself now.
Ma'am, we go with our parents in many places.
Not in many places. Okay. So it's not roam, okay? We can say travel, okay? We travel with our parents, right? Many places. Okay.
Ma'am,
So explode means travel, okay? travel. So she explored the deepest. She is saying in this poem, the girl is saying, I explored the deepest ocean floor. What is deepest? Yes.
मैम सबसे गहरा.
Yes, far, which is very far down from the surface, right? Which is very far down from the surface. So, and what is ocean? I told you yesterday also, right? What is ocean? Yes. Yes,
मैम
Vinayak.
sea.
Yes. Yes, Vinayak. What is ocean? Unmute yourself.
मैम समुद्र. sea.
Okay. Also, we can say a land which is surrounded by water, right? So, she explored the deepest ocean and then where she landed? On the shore. What is shore? S-H-O-R-E?
किनारा.
Yes, very good. At the end of the, at the edge of the ocean. Okay? Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, I want to read last paragraph.
Chavi, everybody will get a chance, okay? Everybody, you have read in the last class also. So let me see who have not read. Javik, please read. Unmute yourself. Chavi, you will get a chance in the next class, okay? For sure. Yes.
I infect the
As I opened, Javik, start from as I opened. The last one, the last paragraph.
yes,
As
opened my I opened my eyes little
my little more, M-O-R-E, more,
more I
found, it's found, F-O-U-N-D, found. Yeah. Yes, yes. Myself.
Myself on the bedroom floor.
Bedroom floor. Okay, so Javik, please try to read at home also. Okay, always read so that you can read better in the class. Okay, understood my point? You can read like this. As I opened my eyes a little more, I found myself on the bedroom floor. Understood? Okay. Okay. So what she is saying, when she opened her eyes, so where she was? She found herself on the bedroom floor because she was imagining, right, that I fly high, I flapped my hand, I jumped on the clouds. She was just imagining. Okay? Okay, great. So, do you have any doubt till here, children? No? Okay, very good. So, today, yes. Yes, Vinayak, you are saying something? Please ask. Yes.
Doubt.
Yes, wait. Vinayak, please let me know what happened.
9 के बाद तो मेरा सब कुछ पेंटिंग है.
कौन सा वाला?
नंबर 9.
अच्छा, उसके बाद हमने कुछ किया ही नहीं है. We have not done anything after 9. Okay, so we have come to this poem. This one, Flying So High. Okay, so don't worry. You have completed all the things. Okay, whatever I am covering, you have already completed. I know. Okay, so children, please read this poem from home. Also I'll share the PDF of word meanings. Right? I'll share the PDF of word meanings. Do it at home and please learn also. Okay? Because in the next class, I'm gonna take a oral test. Understood? Understood my point?
Okay, ma'am.
Very good.
Understood.
Okay, bye. See you.
Bye.
Take care all of you.
Bye.
Bye.